You are probably paying for software you no longer need. Design tools, writing assistants, voice generators, video editors. In 2026, AI has replaced all of them. And in most cases, the free versions are genuinely good enough to ditch your subscriptions entirely. I've tested over 50 AI tools, so you don't have to. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the 10 best free AI tools available right now, what they replace, exactly how to use them, and the one thing you need to watch out for with each one. By the end of this video, you could realistically save over $500 a month. Let's get into it. The first way is selling AI voiceover services, and it's one of the fastest ways to start earning because demand is enormous. Every YouTuber, podcaster, and business with a video needs voiceovers. Professional voice actors charge $200 to $500 per project. With 11 Labs, you deliver the same quality in 60 seconds. Here's how. Go to 11labs.io and create a free account. Find 3 or 4 professional-sounding voices. Then create a gig on Fiverr or Upwork offering AI voiceover services, charging $30 to $100 per minute of audio. When a client sends a script, paste it in, generate, download the MP3, and deliver. The whole thing takes under 5 minutes. The free plan gives you about 10,000 characters a month, enough to land your first clients before upgrading. The second way is graphic design with Canva, and you do not need to be a designer. Canva's free plan has over 2 million templates, thumbnails, social posts, logos, flyers, all of it. Pick one niche. YouTube thumbnail design is in massive demand right now because creators need a new one for every upload. Make 3 to 5 sample thumbnails, post a gig on Fiverr, and charge $15 to $50 each. One YouTuber posting 3 videos a week becomes a recurring client worth hundreds a month. You can also sell Canva templates on Etsy. Design once, earn passively every time someone buys. Realistic earnings, $100 to $1,000 a month. Quick one. If you're finding this useful, hit that like button. It genuinely helps the channel. Now let's get to the higher paying methods. The third way is copywriting with ChatGPT. And this is where the bigger money starts. Every business needs written content. Emails, product descriptions, captions, sales pages. Most owners hate writing and happily pay to outsource it. Specialize in one type. Email marketing pays the most. Offer 5 marketing emails for $50 to $200 on Fiverr or LinkedIn. Use ChatGPT for the first draft. Then edit it to match the client's voice and deliver in 24 hours. The key is positioning. You're a copywriter who uses advanced tools for faster turnaround. Clients buy the result, not the process. Realistic earnings, $200 to $2,000 a month. The fourth way is creating presentations with Gamma, massively underrated. Go to gamma.app, type any topic, and it builds a complete professional presentation in under a minute. Executives and founders constantly need pitch decks, sales presentations, and training materials, and most are terrible at making them. Find founders, sales managers, and consultants on LinkedIn. Offer a professional 10-slide deck for $100 to $300. Generate it in 60 seconds. Customize colors and content. Deliver next day. The gap between your cost, 0, and what clients pay is pure profit. Realistic earnings, $300 to $3,000 a month. The fifth way is the highest paying. Research and long-form writing using Perplexity and Claude. Businesses, consultants, and agencies need detailed research reports, market analyses, and white papers. These cost $500 to $5,000 from agencies. Use Perplexity to research any topic fast with real cited sources. Then use Claude at claude.ai to write the full document. It's exceptional at long, detailed writing and produces a 10-page report in minutes. Find consultants and agencies on LinkedIn. Offer one free sample report to prove quality. Then charge $100 to $500 per report. Realistic earnings, $500 to $5,000 a month, with the least competition of any method here. So there you have it. 5 ways to make real money with free AI tools in 2026. Voiceovers with 11 Labs, design with Canva, copywriting with ChatGPT, presentations with Gamma, research and writing with Perplexity and Claude. All free to start. All links in the description. Drop a comment telling me which method you're trying first. I read every one. And subscribe because I show you exactly how to use free AI tools to make money every single week. See you in the next one.